If you sell digital products, you're collecting customer emails, payment details, and maybe even sensitive files. One data breach could cost you thousands. Let me show you how to add cyber liability coverage in Next Insurance to protect both your customers and your business. Start at nextinsurance.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, click Manage Coverage. Look for Cyber Liability option. This is what protects you if hackers access your customer data, your site gets hits with ransomware, or your cloud storage is breached. Click Add Coverage and review the details. It typically includes data breach response costs, customer notification expenses, credit monitoring services for affected customer, and legal defense fees. Choose your coverage limit based on your sales volume and how much sensitive data you store. For small sellers, $250,000 may be enough. Larger stores might want $1 million or more. Once you select your limit, confirm the changes, review the updated monthly premium, and click Activate Coverage. Your protection starts immediately. With cyber liability coverage, a hack won't bankrupt your business. You can handle incidents professionally, maintain client trust, and keep selling without skipping a beat. And if you're selling PDFs, templates, or ebooks, PDF farming automates your sales and delivery. So you can focus on growth while Next Insurance keeps you protected behind the scenes. You'll find the links for Next Insurance and PDF farming in the description below. Add cyber liability coverage today, protect your customers, and run your digital business with total confidence.